Hello, welcome back to Unpod. In this series, we are exploring why Combinator-backed companies, and today we are talking about Arva AI, a game changer in the world of fintech and compliance. Arva AI uses advanced AI agents to streamline the business verification process. Right now, whenever a company tries to onboard with a bank or fintech platform, a human analyst has to manually verify documents. This takes time and adds a lot of manual effort, but Arva AI is changing the game by replacing those human analysts with AI agents, allowing business verification to happen in seconds instead of days. This not only speeds up the onboarding process but also reduces operational cost by up to 80%. Currently, around 30% of these Know Your Business or KYB cases end up needing manual review. Arva's solution automates the entire onboarding experience, making it smoother, faster, and cheaper for banks and fintech companies. Their vision is to build an entire suite of AI powered workers that handle compliance tasks for businesses. Given that the KYB process is a 24 billion opportunity in the US alone, Arva AI's founders Rahim Shah and Oli Bales bring impressive backgrounds from companies like Revolt, Google, and Opvia. They have seen the challenges in the industry firsthand and are using their expertise to tackle these problems with cutting-edge AI solutions. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos. See you next time.